How to pay with PayPal on Airbnb. Hello and welcome to our channel Web Wiz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Airbnb, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. After making the process of spending some money here on Airbnb, you must check that if you want to use PayPal to pay, this is going to be depending on the currency you're paying with. PayPal may be available as a payment method. So on top of your screen, you're going to find this world, and there you can select your language and region and also the currency that you want to change. So for instance, if I try to use the Mexican peso and if I select this house from Allen, Texas, let's try to reserve. Okay, this is useful because I have people here. Let me try with another option that I know that we didn't have. Oh no, that's the language. Sorry, I commit a mistake. Okay, now let's switch the currency to, Chilean peso. Let's try it. And if I select again the same house and try to reserve, let's see if I can do it or not. Not. With this currency, I'm not going to be able to pay with PayPal, just with credit cards or through Google Pay. So I suggest you to select on currency the United States dollar, and in that way any house or department you want to reserve, it's going to have that option. PayPal, there it is. Also, what you must select here is may click on this arrow and select the PayPal account, and you must to go and log in to use your PayPal. So you must to write your username, your password to allow your PayPal account to be linked with your Airbnb, and in that way you're gonna be able to reserve any apartment or house or whatever you're looking for here with PayPal. Thanks for watching.